Hi guys, welcome to Be Thrifty 2. My name is Jasenia, and if you clicked on this video, you probably want to see my bathroom. This bathroom is located in a spare room in my basement. I was using it for storage at first, but now it is the perfect spot for a second bathroom. We are a family of 5 and we need it. But before we go inside, let me show you what this room looked like before. There was no door, it was just an opening, and the floor was bare concrete, and the ceiling had exposed beams, and it has 2 small windows. Work started pretty quickly, and within 2 weeks, the plumbing and the electrical system were in place. The marble tiles were laid out, and the shower was very close to being finished. The door was hung and the vanity was also in place. But this is where the progress stopped because my contractor decided he wasn't going to show up anymore. Yep, he disappeared. But it's okay, we're gonna move forward and we're gonna make this work. We're gonna bring this bathroom to the finish line, guys. I'm going to tile this weird wall. I'm not sure why he built this, but we're going to tile it, and I'm going to install the shower doors myself. I gotta finish the trim on this window and on this cubby hole here for my shampoo. Check out the wall, guys. I think I did pretty good for my first time. I also drilled the holes for the shower door. You can see the doors hung here, and the trim is also done. I just lost some of the footage of me putting it in place, so you don't get to see that. But here they are. It's already done. Next, we're going to work on a closet for that small space next to the shower. I think it's perfect for some storage, and it's not going to be wasted space. I got this kitchen cabinet from Facebook Market for free, so I brought it home. The guy said it was 24 inches, which would have fit perfectly in that space, but this cabinet was actually 25 inches. So my best option was to take it apart and make it fit. I took both sides off, which were 1/2 inch each, and that left me with just the shelves and the doors. I attached a few pieces of wood to the walls to support my shelves, and I also screwed the doors directly to the walls. Now I just have to add some trim to the top and bottom to cover up those gaps. I've painted it the same color as the wall so it blends in a little bit more. I'm keeping the handles in this wood tone because they are nice and they save me money. And it looks good. Next, we're going to work on the door. This door is another Facebook find, and it is brand new, and I got it for just $60 with the frame. So this was a good deal. I have already painted it white. I added a thrifted black doorknob, and now I'm framing it with some trim. If you notice, the electrical work was not finished, and we had to call a pro to fix that. But my husband was able to install the sconces. Don't they look cute? Okay, so I think this is a good time to show you my mood board for this bathroom. The first thing I thrifted were the smoky black shower doors. I got these from Facebook Market for just $75, including the frame, so I got lucky with this one too. And they kind of set the tone for everything else that came after. I knew I wanted a lot of black and white accents with some gold and some wood tones mixed in. I also brought in some pattern and color with fabrics and wall art. The vanity is from Home Depot, and I got it on sale, but the knobs were the wrong color. I sprayed them a matte black. I added some fabric to this bench in a previous video. Make sure you check it out. Now let's frame some art. I thrifted this frame for $8, but the art it came with is not exactly what I'm looking for. It is pretty though, but it's not really what I want. So we're going to take it apart and insert a different piece. Unfortunately, when I was done, there was a hair trapped behind the glass. I can't live with that. So I had to take it apart again. Here's how it looks. This is a print of a painting titled The Kiss by Gustav Klimt, and it's always been one of my favorite paintings. I think I got it from Amazon for $12 or less. I'm not sure, but I know I didn't pay more than $12 for it. Now on this part of the ceiling, I want to add some curtains because this area feels cold and plain to me. I don't need the curtains to function, so they're just going to be for decor and to bring some height to this room because the ceiling is a little low. I'm hanging these hooks from the ceiling and they will hold my curtain rods. I was going to purchase these from Amazon, but I think the hooks will do the trick and I had them in my stash, so they're saving me $20. We're going to measure and screw them in place. These are my rods. Actually, it's a broomstick cut in two. And we're going to paint them in black. I asked you guys on Instagram and on my community tab which curtains I should put up. And the winner is the taupe curtain by one vote. And I want to thank all 7 of you for participating. Next, I'm going to pour my essentials into prettier bottles. I got hand soap in one and toothpaste in the other. Let's put them on a pretty wooden tray. Add some pretty bamboo toothbrushes. I probably should have labeled these. That's better. Just a few more final touches and we're almost done. I got this faux palm tree on sale at HomeGoods, but I don't like the basket. It's not structured enough for me. So we're going to transfer the plant to this pot my sister gave me. It's terracotta and it has more weight. It's already black, but I prefer it in white. I'm going to add this thrifted basket to house some of my towels near the shower. It's pretty as is, but I prefer it in black so it doesn't stand out as much. This plant pot is now black. Here's a few more black accents. I picked these up from Home Goods, and these birds just made me laugh. They're all dressed in fancy clothes, so I had to bring them home. They also add a touch of Art Deco glam that pairs well with the sconces and the shower doors. I know this Japanese robe probably looks out of place here, but it's my favorite robe, so it's going in. Let's put the rest of our things in place. This video is part of the Here's Your Crown playlist hosted by Connie's Creative Creations, and her co-host is Amanda from 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. When you are done watching my video, check them out. The playlist link is below in the description. All right, let's go inside. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I will see you next time. Let's keep being thrifty together. Bye!